Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer telematics enrollment with Liberty Mutual. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Liberty Mutual account. From the dashboard, navigate to the Telematics section. Locate the option for Telematics enrollment. Click on the Transfer Enrollment button. You will see a prompt asking for your current vehicle information. Enter the necessary details for the vehicle you wish to transfer. Next, input the information for the new vehicle you plan to enroll. Make sure all information is accurate and complete. Review the terms and conditions carefully. Agree to the terms by checking the corresponding box. Click on the Submit button to finalize the transfer. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your request has been processed. Keep an eye on your email for further confirmation from Liberty Mutual. If needed, contact customer support for any questions regarding the transfer. Once confirmed, make sure to download the Telematics app if you haven't already. Install the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set it up with your new vehicle. Your telematics enrollment is now successfully transferred. Monitor your driving habits through the app to track progress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.